Hello and welcome to the presentation of the very flexible CL4 family. There are different models starting from 1 tank up to 3 tanks. In the 3 tank version, it is possible to use 2 different chemicals and a rinsing step afterwards. Even if the footprint is very small, the machine can be equipped with all needed functions. It is as well possible to have a DI water regeneration, so you can upgrade the machine to a PCB cleaning system. When we have a quick look at the display, we can see all relevant data. The chamber is designed in a way that the liquid can flow back best possible, what makes a very low consumption. For sure, there are different adapter frames for stencils, squeegees or PCBs. After closing the door, it is locking automatically. Here at the back, you can see the drying unit. With a high air exchange, we can reach a very short cycle time for drying. Now let me tell you something about the maintenance. We need access from the front and from the right side of the machine. There are only a few steps to do when it comes to maintenance. Changing the filters out of the filter cartridges, changing the filters out of the cascades in the tanks, and for the last step, emptying the tanks over the emptying pump. Now let me tell you something about the closed loop system. The machine is running with 2 completely separated cycles. For example, the cleaning cycle. Here we are sucking the chemicals with the cleaning pump out of the cleaning tank, running over the cleaning filter, and then through the chamber back to the cleaning tank. This makes it possible that you have water inside of the rinse tank without mixing up with the chemicals. The CL420 offers professional cleaning, a small footprint, and a reasonable price. As you see, the machine is completely built out of stainless steel. One last thing to say, if you have stencils bigger than 800 x 800, we can offer you the CL422, which fits for stencils and screens of 1200 x 1200 millimeters.